February is Children's Dental Health Month and American Heart Month. These are just two areas that More Health help educate local children about. And joining me today is Karen Buckenheimer. She's the Executive Director of More Health and also the guest editor of this month's issue of Tampa Bay Parenting Magazine. Of course, you guys are a friend of the blend as well.
We are.
So glad to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is a great issue of the magazine, and this is something that you guys are not just doing in February. You guys are constantly in schools reminding kids. Some of the time, this may be the first time they're hearing some of these messages.
Absolutely,
is it not?
it is. We teach a lot of lessons, kindergarten through high school. And this month, we're especially focusing on dental and heart because it is Children's Dental Health Month and Heart Month.
So let's start with dental.
Okay.
What is it that's really important? I mean, again, we're setting the foundation for, I'd imagine, dental hygiene until their adult senior life. So what is so important for kids to understand this morning?
So for kids and parents to understand is we need to get our children off to a good start. So even from that very first tooth, you need to take your child, your baby, to the dentist when that first tooth comes in, and you need to make sure that you wipe that tooth clean every day. Water is the only thing that should go in that baby's mouth before they go to bed.
Okay.
And then you need to start a good hygiene program, brushing teeth twice a day with fluoridated toothpaste, using and drinking fluoridated water.
I feel like I hear that all the time from pediatricians that, you know, is your water fluoridated? You know, you hear that term a lot.
In Hillsborough County, all the water's fluoridated. But in other counties, Pasco County, there's not. So they have different pockets of places. So you need to make sure what your water is, and if it's not, you need to provide fluoridated water to your children and your babies, or the pediatrician will prescribe fluoride drops. And then also it's so important to have healthy foods. So foods high, like vegetables and fruits, are actually naturally clean teeth. Foods that are high in sugar are especially damaging to baby teeth and, of course, to permanent teeth.
And unfortunately, from what I understand, with sugar, it can be deceptive, I think. You know, as parents, we're trying the best to do and feed them the best, but sugar can hide in things. You have an example this morning.
I do. So this is a can of soda. Obviously, it's Coke, but there are 10 to 12 teaspoons of sugar in one can of soda, and that's the average can of soda. Sports drinks are even more. And so it's a misnomer that you think, oh, well, I'm just having one can of soda, a drink, but you're really putting all the sugar on your teeth. And so it's especially important, every once in a while have a Coke or have a soda, but drink water afterwards and brush your teeth, or at least rinse your mouth.
Let's talk about heart health before we run out of time, too. What's the most important thing to know with that?
With heart health, we need to make sure eating healthy and getting plenty of exercise.
You normally hear heart health with adults, not with kids as much.
But we've got it, you know, obesity in children is very, very common, and especially type 2 diabetes. So we're very concerned about that. So we need to make sure that we promote healthy eating and also 30 minutes a day of exercises at least 5 times a week for all of us.
Okay. Anything else as far as heart and what? So exercise, obviously very important.
And eating healthy, low in sugar, low in fat, and decrease the fast food. You know, or when you go to a fast food restaurant, try to eat some of the healthy options for your kids. I know they have apple dippers and some other things that can be healthier for children. And it's really important just to know how the heart works. And it's a muscle. And so that muscle needs protein, and it needs to be fed correctly, and it needs to be exercised so it's really strong.
Well, as we kind of wrap here, I know, look at those smiling faces. I know it's so crucial, I think, for parents to have resources and places to know how to kind of help do this. How can More Health help? If anybody has questions today,
so
what would you have
anyone
them do?
has questions, you're welcome to call us. Go on our website. We have resources, but we're in the schools in Hillsborough County and in Pinellas County all the time teaching kids kindergarten through high school. So please reach out to us for any type of help. And there's resources, and there's dentists, all different types of economics, and we can help you with that.
Karen, so good to see you. As always, congratulations on this great issue for February for Tampa Bay Parenting Magazine. Make sure to pick it up. It's a free magazine and a great resource. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. Okay, Karen?
Thank you very, very much.